Welcome to Trador's tutorial number 4, which includes handling the inventory, saving positions for future examination, copy positions to another portfolio, and saving and loading portfolios. Let's first create a short strangle. Add hedging and widen it a bit. Adding options to inventory is always made from the above simulations table by clicking the Add to Inventory Quick Action button. The option will drop down on the inventory table while colored gray, so we know it's not saved yet. And then save it by clicking the Store Inventory Quick Action button on the inventory table. After that, the inventory table color will be white or normal again. We can simulate the inventory by eliminating a specific option from it. It can be done by double-clicking on it, examining the new position, and restoring it. Another way is done by dragging the mouse over a few options, and from its right-click submenu, choosing the Clear Selected Shares temporary function. In both ways, the inventory table becomes gray, so we know it's not the portfolio's real inventory. To return to the real inventory, we'll just click on the Restore Inventory Quick Action button, and its color becomes white again. We can also add some more options to it, and restore it again without saving. Notice that if we play with the inventory by eliminating options, it becomes gray colored. And if at this point we'll add options to inventory, we won't be able to save it, and the Store Inventory function will be disabled. So in order to add and save the inventory, make sure that the inventory table shows the true inventory and is colored white. Notice that these executed options that are shown on the inventory table belong to this specific period and this specific portfolio. So if I change to another period, we won't see them. Also, if I change to another portfolio, we won't see them as well. After the inventory exists for the first time, we can add a comment to it by activating the Comment Add function from its right-click submenu. I'll add the word Open and present index 230 and confirm it with the OK button. After adding the first comment, its Quick Action button appears on the table, enabling us to easily add more comments. Now, when placing the mouse over an option price, Trador now displays more vital information, such as the last 7 actions made on this option, the implied volatility of that option, the comment that if I filled indexes on each execution will show the market trend, the computed closure, and so on. When I want to analyze a position without my inventory, all I have to do is temporarily clear the inventory, which is done by the right-click submenu and activating the Clear All Temporary function. Examine my position, and finally, restore the inventory. Closing the inventory is done easily by first arranging its position with opposite actions by clicking the Show Position Closed Quick Action button. modifying executed prices if necessary, adding to inventory, always top to down, so all options are closed. And finally, saving the new empty inventory with the Save button. Let's see how to save positions for future examination. I'll create a long cylinder. Add hedging to it. And reduce the out-of-the-money put strike until I have a profit on a current index. Saving this position is done from the Simulations table right mouse click submenu and activating the Save Position function. I'll give it a name and confirm it. Now, let's clear this position and load it from the Saved Positions by activating the Load Saved Positions from the right mouse click submenu. A saved position list is displayed. Placing the mouse over the position's name displays its full name. Now, let's save the same position with double quantities and other prices. Type in the position's name and confirm. We can see the second position was added to the list. Click on the first position, then the second one. And clicking on the Saved Prices checkbox will display the position's original prices. Now, let's copy this position to another portfolio. To do that, we'll click the Copy Position button on the Strategy Wizard toolbar, or activate this function from the right mouse click submenu, or hit the Ctrl+C hotkey. Then I'll load another portfolio from the Portfolio menu list. And click the second portfolio on the list. After that, I'll click the Paste Position button on the Strategy Wizard toolbar, or activate this function from the right mouse click submenu, or hit the Ctrl+V hotkey. This way, we can copy positions from one portfolio to another on the same expiration period. Saving an entire portfolio is done also for backup purpose. I use this function to back up each portfolio at the end of each day. This is done from the Portfolio Save As menu. And while Trador by default fills in the portfolio's account number and the present date. After the save confirmation, this file can be moved to another computer and be loaded, or created there from the Portfolio Open menu. Thanks for watching, and see you on our next tutorial.